Now we shall see the passive voice of present continuous, that is symbolized as 2. 2 is equal to present continuous or present imperfect or progressive present. The format or the structure, as you have already been told, is that subject plus helping verb or auxiliary verb. Helping verb or auxiliary verb in present continuous tense is, am, are plus verb takes ing being form plus object. Example, I is the subject. According to I, am is the helping verb. Teach takes ing, teaching. Object is voice. I am teaching voice. Now the structure of passive is like subject. Rule number 1, subject is object of passive active voice is made subject of passive voice. According to new subject, that is object of active voice, is, am, are helping verb is chosen. Being is used thereafter third form of the verb, that is past participle is used. By agent, then object, which is the subject of active voice, right? What will be the voice? Object becomes subject, voice. According to voice, we use is. Being, third form of the verb teach, is taught by me. Thus we have voice is being taught by me. Now we can read, just we have done it in simple present. And the same way, present continuous, I am teaching voice, A means positive. I am not teaching voice. What will be? Voice is not being taught by me. See, yes, no type question, positive. Am I teaching voice? Voice will be, passive voice will be, is voice being taught by me? Right? Question mark. D, that is yes, no type question, negative. Am I not teaching voice? Question mark. Passive voice will be, is voice not being taught by me? WH, I mean E. WH positive question. When am I teaching voice? Question mark. When is voice being taught by me? F, that is WH word type negative question. When am I not teaching voice? Question mark. Passive voice will be, when is voice not being taught by me? Question mark. In this way, you can practice. 6, as you know, stands for past continuous or past imperfect or progressive past. The structure of past continuous is subject plus helping verb was or were. I, he, she, it. Take was. We, you, they, names. Take were plus verb ing plus object. I am teaching voice will become I was teaching was. Right? The structure of passive just is, am, are will be changed into was word. Subject, which is the object of active voice, was, were, plus being, plus V3, plus by, plus object, which is the subject of active voice. Now, the passive voice of this sentence, I was teaching voice was being taught by me. Now, we can drill A, B, C, D, E, F. I was teaching voice was being taught by me. I was not teaching voice was not being taught by me. Right? In C, was I teaching voice? Question mark. Was not being taught. Sorry. Was being taught by me. C, was I not teaching voice? Was not being taught by me? Question mark. In D, E, that is WH, positive question. When was I teaching voice? Question mark. When was being taught by me? Question mark. F, when was I not teaching voice? Question mark. When was not being taught by me? Question mark. This is present continuous and past continuous. Now let us see the perfect tense, the passive voice of perfect tense of present, past and future. Okay. Now you just recollect the structure of present perfect tense and past perfect tense and future perfect tense. In present perfect, subject plus has, have plus V3 plus object. This is active voice. 2 will become 3. Example will be I have taught voice. Right? Subject, helping verb HV, have V3 and voice is object. What will be the structure of passive? The structure of passive will be subject which is object of active. Helping verb will be has or have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object which is subject of active voice. Now I have taught voice. The example will be subject voice has been taught by me. We can go on drilling. I have taught voice voice has been taught by me. I have not taught voice. In negative, voice has not been taught by me. Have I taught voice? Has voice been taught by me? Have I not taught voice? Has voice not been taught by me? When have I taught voice? When has voice been taught by me? When have I not taught voice? Question mark. When has voice not been taught by me? And in case of 7 means past perfect. You know the structure is only subject plus have plus V3 object. Have will change into had, and here has have will change into had, right? Has, this is the example of 7, that is past perfect tense. I had taught voice. Voice had been taught by me. Now we can drill that way as we have done up till now. I had not taught voice. Voice had not been taught by me. Had voice been taught by me? Question mark. Had voice not been taught by me? Question mark. When had voice been taught by me? This will be WH, positive question. When had voice not been taught by me? This will be F, that is WH question, negative. By a little change, we can do or convert it into future perfect tense. The structure of future perfect tense is this 7 will become 11, right? Shall or will plus have, right? Subject shall or will, have V3 object. I shall have taught. I shall have taught voice, and here shall or will plus have. Shall or will? Voice will have been taught by me. This will be the example of future perfect tense. Now we can drill it as we have done in present and past. Voice will not have been taught by me. B. In C, will voice have been taught by me? Question mark. D. Will voice not have been taught by me? E. WH positive question. When will was have been taught by me? Question mark. F. WH question negative. When will was not have been taught by me? Question mark. One thing we must be alert while using not. Just mind it. Remember it. Not is used just after helping verb. And if a sentence contains more than one helping verb, we use not after first helping verb. For example, we have, will, have, been. 3 helping verbs. We must use after shall or will. Was, will, not. Right? Thank you.